Being a manager isn't just about managing, it's also about leading. The best managers know how to do both. We often talk about management and leadership like they're opposites or like they're the same thing. They're not. They do work together, however. So, as a manager, you plan, organize, coordinate, protect resources. These tactical skills keep things running, keep things moving forward. But as a leader, you guide people's behaviors, you rally them toward a better future, and you communicate with passion and clarity. You inspire, influence, and help people to see what matters most. And you teach them how to be their best. The best managers integrate both of these. They manage the work and they lead the people. They provide structure while also creating vision and purpose. And here's the key: as you rise in management levels, your interpersonal skills, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking become even more important, more so than your technical skills. Your job becomes aligning, developing, and influencing across the system, not just getting stuff done. And remember, leadership isn't about your title, it's about how you show up, how you treat people, and the presence you bring every day. Yes, managers must manage, but to truly excel, they also must lead. And that starts with leading yourself. When you do both, you create an environment where people and results thrive. So take a moment to reflect. How are you balancing management and leadership in your role today? If this hits close to home, subscribe for more strategies to help you take back your time and lead at the speed of people without losing yourself in the process. I'm Dr. Julie Donley, and till next time, happy leading.